Hello everyone! In this video I'm gonna teach you amazing cauliflower soup with anchovies, burnt chili puree and raisins. But believe me, this is not your grandma recipe, but delicious, fun dining dish. So get ready and let's start it. For the soup, we're gonna need cauliflower, shallots, anchovies, heavy cream, milk and salt. First, I'm gonna cut cauliflower to small pieces, so it gets cooked faster. Next, I cut my shallots and anchovies. I start with vegetable oil and butter in the pan. I put my shallots in and sweat them for a few minutes, but we don't want any color, guys. Then I put my anchovies and after a few minutes chopped cauliflower. I'm gonna roast everything a little bit and cover with 1/3 of heavy cream and 2/3 of milk and cook everything on medium heat until cauliflower is completely soft. Then I'm gonna blitz everything in the machine. And don't forget to check the seasoning. For sure, you need some salt. And last step, I pass everything through the chinois and my delicious cauliflower soup is ready. Next, I'm gonna do burnt chili puree. I start with mix of red peppers and chili. I just cut the green part out so it's not burning in the oven. I put them on baking tray and cover them with vegetable oil. You can play with the ratio of peppers and chili, depend how much you like spicy food. And let me know in the comment if you prefer mild or very spicy food, guys. I want to know. And now I just put everything in the oven on maximum heat under the grill. In the meantime, I will do my raisins cooked in vinegar. I mix golden raisins with white wine vinegar, sugar and salt and bring it to boil. Then I put pan on the side and leave it to cool down. These raisins gonna be very sour outside and super sweet inside. This gives amazing contrast inside the soup. Peppers are a little bit black, but this is not enough, guys. I'm gonna help them, watch it out. If you burn them more, it will be easy to peel the skin out and you can get amazing smoky flavor. Now Just put them inside any plastic box, close it, and leave them steam out for 15 minutes. Now, you can take out the seeds and peel them easily. I start with sugar on the pan, and on medium heat I'm gonna make brown caramel. If you like today's recipe guys, give it thumbs up, and if you have some ideas, what do you want me to cook? Let me know in the comment and maybe I do it next time. Then I put my burned and peeled peppers inside. Now it's time for a little bit of balsamic and white wine vinegar. And cook everything until peppers are cooked and mix is nicely reduced. And last step, just mix everything in the blender and your burnt chili puree is done. Next, I'm gonna do some croutons with cheddar cheese. I cut some bread and grate some cheese on the top. And under the grill until my croutons are nice and crispy. Something like this. And last thing, I'm gonna cut few raw pieces of cauliflower and they will give to soup nice crunchy and fresh element. And now we got everything ready and it's time to put on the plate. Start with quite spicy, sweet and sour chili puree. Then few of my croutons with cheddar cheese, few pieces of raw cauliflower florets, few pieces of anchovies, super salty, I just love them guys. My sweet and sour golden raisins, and finish it with chervil on the top. And that's it. This is my cauliflower soup with anchovies and burnt chili puree. Enjoy guys. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe guys. If you like it, give it thumbs up. And if you're not subscriber, hit the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video because on this channel, I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro. You can also check out my cooking coaching and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.